Hello friends, welcome back. I request all the parents of both TS and AP, our Telugu states, not to join your wards in Sri Chaitanya and Narayana junior colleges this year. There is a good reason behind this statement. Anyhow, this year is going to be online mode. 75 to 80% you will be having online classes only. So it's like online means it's like one way traffic, one way communication. Okay, the presenter will go on teaching, and the students will be kept on mute mode. No doubts, clarification, nothing. Rather than this, it's better to join any other good college in your vicinity, in your locality, whichever is near your location, and you collect the good material, and you just refer to the online platforms are there. Make the best use of technology. YouTube is also there. That's why, so in this way we can be benefited. So please don't waste your hard earned money. And these people, corporate, so-called corporate colleges, Sri Chaitanya, Narayana, these people, they fired so many lecturers last year, and they have been on the roads, and many are committing suicides also. Who is responsible? How can we bring back their lives? How can their families survive? Please think about these families once. So inhuman, they are very inhuman. So we should not encourage the people who don't have any morals, people without principles. We should not encourage them. We should encourage the principled, highly principled people. Education is not business. Teaching is a profession. No, it's not a profession, it's a mission. So they have made it, they have turned it into business. That's why, so we should not encourage them. Please think wisely. These people, they don't follow any rules. They violate all the government rules. Most of their colleges, they don't have proper sanitary certificate, no fire safety certificate, and no shifting certificate also. And the board is hibernating. Okay, no action from the board side. Actually, as per the government rule, from June 16th onwards we are supposed to start the classes. But we know that more than 1 month ago only, corporate colleges, they started the classes. They have been running the classes. It's not violation of the rules. It's not breach in the rules, code of conduct. So it's intolerable. How can we tolerate all these things? So JSC, Telangana JSC, Joint Action Committee Vice President Ganguru Narasimhareddy, he also gave the similar statement today, not to join your wards in Narayana and Chaitanya. Okay, please think once again. Thank you very much.